If you are using tools to create content, you already know the real bottleneck is not generation, it's cleanup. You generate a bunch of images, some look soft, a few have unwanted logos or text, and your video clips need sharper faces, cleaner detail, and maybe a different format before you can even start editing. True, right? Yes, indeed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use UniConverter to handle the front-end cleanup and the back-end optimization of AI-generated assets in one workflow. The goal is simple: take rough AI images and video clips, improve the quality, remove distractions, batch process everything fast, and export ready-to-use files without bouncing between 5 different applications. I'll walk you through image enhancement, watermark removal, video enhancement, video watermark cleanup, conversion, and batch processing with clear before and after comparisons for each step. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. So let's start at the beginning of the pipeline with images. Now, when I'm working with AI-generated visuals, I usually have a few common issues right away: soft edges, weak facial details, compression artifacts or stray watermarks, and the text that makes the image unusable. But the good thing is, with UniConverter, I can just drag in the image set, choose the enhancement option, preview, and export. Now, that simple workflow matters a lot when you are processing multiple assets instead of fixing things one by one. Sounds good, right? Yes, indeed. And this is the part I'd highlight on screen. The before looks flat and slightly muddy, especially around the face and edges, and the after has noticeable clear detail, sharper texture, and a more usable final look for thumbnails, for inserts, or social visuals. I really like it. And what I like it here is that it fits naturally into an AI content workflow. You generate first, then use UniConverter to make the outputs look presentation ready. Now, the UniConverter's official image enhancer page describes this tool as improving image quality and resolution, including sharpening and upscaling while preserving detail. And you know me about details. I'm super picky. And next, let's say one of those image assets has an unwanted logo, maybe some text overlay, a date stamp, or some distracting element you don't want in the final creative, right? So again, the workflow stays simple. I like it. Import, mark the area, preview, export. That's especially useful for creators who want fast turnaround without getting stuck in complicated editor tools. Now, that's a great result. Here's the before and the after. Before, your eye goes straight to the watermark, right? After, the image looks much cleaner and easier to reuse in YouTube thumbnails, storyboards, mockups, or motion graphics. You name it. And to be frank, UniConverter officially positions its AI watermark remover for removing logos, text, objects, people, and date stamps from both images and videos with a no editing skills needed workflow. I really like it. But now let's move to video, because this is where a lot of AI content falls apart. Sometimes the clip is usable in concept, but the face is soft, the detail is weak, or the whole frame feels compressed and low quality. But don't worry, we are covered. Inside UniConverter, I can import the clips, I can choose the enhancement mode, preview the result, and export. Now, that's the exact kind of a low-friction workflow I want for content production. Just look at this comparison. In the before, the facial features are softer and the image feels flatter. In the after, the subject looks more defined, the frame looks cleaner, and the clip feels more publishable, especially for YouTube and short form repurposing, including TikToks, Instagram Reels, you name it. And one more thing. Now, for AI generated or compressed material, that kind of polish makes a huge difference. It can be the step between this looks like a draft and this looks ready to use for commercial ads, right? Yes, indeed. What I've seen is that UniConverter's official AI video enhancer page says it supports resolution upscaling, as well denoising and sharpening, color correction, and clearer restoration workflows, and describes a simple 3-step flow. Choose the feature, upload the files, preview the export. That's simple. Another common issue in production workflows is watermarks or unwanted overlays in video. Now maybe it's an old branding, platform marks, or text that distracts from the final edit, but no problem. With UniConverter, I can remove that directly in the same ecosystem instead of round-tripping to another app. And here's the key comparison shot to include in the final video, right? Now, before the watermark keeps pulling attention, right? After, the footage looks much cleaner and easier to integrate into an edit. I love it. Now, UniConverter's watermark tool is officially described as a supporting video and image watermark removal with quick processing and batch-oriented workflows. Now that's magic, if you ask me. Because once the assets look right, the last thing I want is a format problem slowing down the edit. That's why the converter part matters. After the enhancement and cleanup, I can batch convert everything into the format I actually need for editing, for uploading or archiving. This is one of those steps that sounds basic, but it keeps the workflow moving. Instead of stopping to troubleshoot incompatible formats, I can finish the prep work in one place and move straight into the timeline. Wondershare's official UniConverter pages position version 17 as an all-in-one AI media toolkit for conversion, for enhancement, for compression, and broadcast media processing, including the bulk conversion support. It's impossible not to love this tool. For me, batch processing is what turns this from a cool feature demo into an actual workflow tool. If you are making AI content consistently, you are not working on one file. You are working on 10, 20, and sometimes even more, let's face it. So yeah, being able to drag in a set of files to apply the process, to preview and export in bulk is a huge time saver. That's especially true when you are preparing YouTube assets like thumbnails and B-roll, inserts, AI visuals, talking head cleanup, and delivery files, all in the same project. The official version history highlights batch capabilities across enhancement, conversion, and watermark-related workflows, including batch support for multiple videos or images and bulk media handling. So if I had to sum up where UniConverter fits into an AI creation workflow, it's this. AI tools help you generate content fast. UniConverter helps you make that content usable. For front-end processing, I'm using it to improve images and remove distractions before they ever reach the edit. And for back-end optimization, I'm using it to enhance video quality, clean up the watermark, convert formats, and batch export the final assets much faster. If you guys want to streamline your AI content workflow, check out Wondershare UniConverter at the official link below in the description and test the tools on your own image and video assets. It's better to check it with your own eyes. It's a practical way to turn rough AI-generated material into cleaner, more polished, ready to publish content. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm here to help you. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. And as usual, see you on my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.